What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be working on this piece of junk. Sorry. Anyways, we are gonna be installing some true coilovers on this shit because it has some shitty ass ones. It jumps more than a goddamn trampoline. Look at this shit. Yeah, it's trash. So we are gonna be installing some BC coilovers, and we'll see how long it takes us because there's always something with this fucking car. So join us for the fun. Got his demonized that don't work.
Oh, you making video of my piece of shit car?
Yeah.
Great.
Put the shit on there. So shouldn't be crazy, but we'll see. The suspension's older than him, so we shall see how it goes. Alright, so we already took this whole side out. He had the teen coilovers. I mean, they're not horrible coilovers. I mean, they did the job, but they didn't have the dampening or anything like that. So he got the whole shebang here. And then we got this Puto coming in.
Yeah, drive the same.
He said they're for drifting, like he's gonna drift this piece of shit. Like that ain't drifting. But it should definitely be way better with those.
Hi YouTube. We're setting up the suspension on my Acura RSX Type S 2006. It's being done by the Infinity Boys. As you can see, they're setting up my BCBR. They're fake. I got them from Taiwan. And let's see how it goes.
Bájalo un poco.
Hey Smith, can you say something to YouTube?
The suspension's worth more than the car.
That's very true.
But yeah, we'll see how long it'll last.
I'm just a poor kid that has a Honda.
Yeah, and it's alright.
And there's Brian. Brian, you want to say anything to YouTube?
We gotta start somewhere.
Brian, he's more into the car than saying hello.
Alright, I'll be back. You can turn it off whenever you want to. Don't talk too much shit.
No se fijaron las tuercas.
Alright, Brian, your thoughts? Not too bad so far, right? So far.
I just came here. Now putting this back together.
But anyways, like I said, the suspension is worth more than the car. It'll give it some life. Definitely. You got anything to say? I know you have a lot to say, so you just don't say anything. All right, guys, we're already done with the front side. It's all Gucci in together. Now we're back here on the rear. Which is gonna be a damn pain, cause well, it shouldn't. You gotta take all this damn plastic out. Yeah, that shit's uncomfortable as hell back there. But of course, they talk shit about Infinities, but they're more comfortable to work with. Wonder why. Imagine if this thing ain't shit. Look, it just came apart. Piece of junk, bro. Piece of junk.
Yeah, sí que estaba corriendo.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Look at that. That shit's probably as old as the car. We're here working and this motherfucker's over there worried about his wheels.
If I knew how to do the suspension, I would have done it myself.
Yeah,
but well, I know how to do is clean wheels because I know I ain't gonna break my car.
That explains it. Those are nice. A ver cómo no nos cagamos. A ver, mete mano por ahí. And just like that, this side is basically on. Now that was easier, I'll tell you that. At least the top part. Now we got that, and he's still cleaning his fucking shit. I mean, I'll give it to him. It's a nice purple. it suits him. But yeah.
Oh, it's 2021. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, we know. We know. Here we are working. There's the man of the fucking car eating like a little bitch.
Hey, this is some good ass shit.
No shit. This car's fucking filthy. Look at this shit, bro. Filthy. Yeah.
Okay.
You're here fucking busting our ass. Shit. Alright, so we're already done. We already did all 4 sizes. It's gonna drive it a little bit because that wheel gap, it's like big time. All around. So we're gonna have to do something about that. It's probably not gonna settle too much. Probably have to like lower it a little bit, but we'll see. We shall see. Monster truck. La completa. We're about to test it out right here. See how good it is. Síguelo. Dale la vuelta. Ahí, sigue. Sigue, 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 sigue. Ya, dale, porque ya te fuiste. Dale por ahí como si no fuera tuyo. Claro. That's some cute purple wheels though. They're cute. Fact, just like the owner. Here we are. Now we have to lower this fucking thing. I say probably like halfway. Maybe. We are gonna see, brother. We're gonna see. All the way? Drop it to the 12s? Yeah. But we're only dropping this shit once because fuck this. I don't feel like doing all this work. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. Trying to see if we did a good job or not. Alright, so we're done with all this shit, but I guess it'll have to settle more. There's literally like that much left to lower it, unless he drops it all the way to the bottom. Like the other side is still higher, but I'm already done fucking with this shit, so, well, excuse my language, but anyways, that's gonna be that. He's gonna check some cables there, try to fix his demon eyes, but I'm signing off. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the next one, and like, comment, subscribe for your boy. Be safe.